Well, as you saw from the caption, you can know that this is a milestone video. What is a milestone video? Well, when you hit certain milestones in YouTube, it's really cool. This one here today is a hitting 4,000 viewers, 4,000 subscribers, I should say. Now, you really make money. Amount of subscribers is kind of like a milestone thing, whereas if you take the next step, it's the amount of views. That's how you get paid. You actually get paid on views. Right now, with 4,000 subscribers and the number of views I'm getting, we're making about almost $100 a month. Yeah, I assure you, doing this stuff is a labor of love. I've been putting these videos together about 6 years. Got 750 videos. That's a lot of videos, let me just say. But it is enjoyable. I love taking you with us on these journeys that we go on, and all these adventures. And because this particular channel, I haven't pigeonholed it yet. A lot of video makers, their videos are about this, their videos are about that, and I've really just thrown up a lot of mud in a sense, but I really wanted to show things that we're doing about travel. And when I go to Masonic buildings from around the country, I like to show those Masonic buildings in a way that you've never seen before, or you can't see, or no one else is doing. So they really do a lot of good. They get a lot of views, especially some of my Masonic teaching videos, which I really need to focus more on that, because my views on there are pretty good. My average videos, I don't know if you've looked through those, my church videos, I really enjoy doing the church videos, because the church videos, I like to get a message from the church. I don't know if people are watching these videos and trying to get a message about Christ or not, but I wanted to expose them, to show them that their version of what they think church isn't all the same. Some people have a version of church and they haven't been back to church in 20 years or 30 years or 40 years because they think church is a certain thing. It looks a certain way, people act a certain way and dress a certain way. And if you've seen in my church videos, that is not the case at all. Even though we tend to go to certain churches that are Christian contemporary churches, but that's not always the case. Sometimes they sing hymnals, and sometimes they do some other things. The other is DIY. Some things are just happen. Like I just had a blowout tire in our trailer. It's our I guess it's our second problem with tires with our trailers that we're pulling behind our RV. So I want to show that, to show you some real things that are happening in our lives. Also, these different places we're going to, hopefully you see them from a different perspective, because our videos aren't canned, and they all don't look the same, and they all don't they're not as polished. I'm going to say it right there. They're not as polished as a lot of other people's videos, but I want to give you a real person's view of what's going on, and what I see, and what's the different things that we like doing and seeing when we go to particular different places. Also, doing that keeps me from having to spend all day editing. A lot of these people put up videos, and gosh, they have a person that edits them for them, or they spend 6 hours editing one video. These videos take me about 30 minutes to edit right now, after the formats I've got set aside. But it's really been taken a long while to I say this, I don't know why I'm stumbling for words today. There's a lot of things that go into making these videos. I mean, a whole lot of things, and trying to make them somewhat interesting, so that you'll come back and maybe even give suggestions down in the comments about, what other kind of videos I could be doing. But hopefully you like the videos that we're doing, and obviously if you're watching this and you're here this long, I want to tell you some things that's coming up. I got some things coming up. I'm about to go work at a sugar beet harvest in Michigan. Now, sugar beet harvest is something that a lot of RVers do, A lot of them are going up there as workers. I'm actually going up there as a supervisor. There's about 16 of us that got hired as supervisors, and I got to be up there September 15th, September 20th, something like that. And I'm going to start a full-time job at the sugar beet. The great thing about it is it pays well. The second thing about it is it only lasts till November 20th, so it's part-time. It's not extended. They don't want you there all year, so it really works for our schedule, and it gets me back on this side of the country, which is I really enjoy the East Coast. I may put together another video that's going to talk about all of our adventures and put them together and tell you what I liked and disliked about different areas, because there's some areas that I can't wait to get back to, and there's some other areas of this country I will never go to again. Never. No need. Don't want it. You can have it. Forget it. Those people are stupid. I'm just saying, hey, this is my opinion, and I ain't doing it. I'm not doing it. Forget it. It's not going to happen. Won't happen. So be looking for those videos coming up. So I got those in my back pocket of some videos I'm going to put together. And I hope you like the ones about the cruise that we went on for with Norwegian. We're going to go on another one, especially out of the Caribbean, probably in February. So be watching for that. We're probably going to go to the Bahamas and Jamaica. That's kind of what the direction I want to go. I don't necessarily want to go to Mexico, Cancun, any of that kind of stuff. I want to go to some of those other countries. So hopefully there's no turmoil going on when we do that. But I really appreciate you supporting the channel and being here, and just thanks a lot. Some of you are my subscribers that you actually get first dibs on these videos, which means if you actually join the channel for a whole $3 per month, you get to see these videos first. As soon as I publish them, boom, they're live. Unlike others who these videos will actually be scheduled a week, 2 weeks. I've actually got some 3 weeks out right now, but you got to kind of do that when things are good and you got things to talk about and you got videos to make. So that's a good thing to be able to schedule them out so far, because I don't like to schedule. I like to do one about every 3 days or 4 days. But anyway, I'm gonna let you go for this milestone video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you have not already, because I'm going to get back out here living and continue to live the coolest life.